What if the legendary Land Cruiser Spirit could fit into a smaller, more practical SUV without losing its off-road DNA? This might be the most exciting compact adventure vehicle Toyota has built in years. For decades, the Land Cruiser name has stood for durability, reliability, and unstoppable capability. But traditional Land Cruisers have always been large and expensive. Toyota seems to have asked a very interesting question. What if the Land Cruiser formula could be made smaller, lighter, and more accessible, without losing its iconic character? The result appears to be this: the Toyota Mini Land Cruiser. A compact SUV that keeps the spirit of the legendary off-roader while adapting it for modern urban life. And visually, the connection is clear the moment you see it. The design instantly communicates toughness. At the front, the Mini Land Cruiser features round LED headlights framed by bold black surrounds, giving it a modern interpretation of classic off-road styling. The grille proudly spells out Toyota in large block lettering, creating a strong, retro-inspired identity. Below that, the rugged bumper integrates protective cladding and skid plate elements that hint at real trail capability. From the side profile, the proportions feel purpose-built. The boxy body shape, short overhangs, and upright stance immediately evoke traditional Land Cruiser design. Large off-road tires fill the wheel arches, while black fender flares and side steps emphasize durability. On top, a roof rack system suggests this SUV was built for camping gear, bikes, and outdoor adventure. But perhaps the most interesting visual detail appears at the rear. The taillights feature stacked horizontal LED elements, creating a modern signature that still fits the rugged theme. And of course, mounted on the tailgate is a full-size spare tire, one of the clearest signals that this vehicle takes off-road capability seriously. Inside the cabin, the design focuses on practicality and durability. The dashboard is clean and functional. A large central touchscreen provides modern infotainment and navigation. While below it sit physical buttons and rotary controls for key off-road functions. This is important because when you're driving on rough terrain, physical controls are far easier to use than touch menus. The center console includes multiple terrain and drive mode selectors, reinforcing the idea that this vehicle is designed for more than just city commuting. The interior materials also lean toward durability. The mix of dark materials with tan accents gives the cabin a rugged yet refined atmosphere. When it comes to performance value, the Mini Land Cruiser appears to focus on capability rather than pure speed. This type of SUV prioritizes torque, traction, and control, the three things that matter most when climbing rocky trails or navigating deep mud. Its compact size may actually become a major advantage off-road. Smaller vehicles can maneuver through narrow trails and tight terrain much more easily than full-size SUVs. And for everyday drivers, that same compact footprint makes parking and city driving significantly easier. So instead of being an oversized luxury off-roader, the Mini Land Cruiser could become the perfect balance between adventure vehicle and daily SUV. Put all of this together, and the result is something genuinely exciting. The 2027 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser captures the rugged personality of the original Land Cruiser while packaging it into a modern compact SUV. It looks tough. It appears genuinely capable. And it feels purpose-built for both city life and weekend adventure. For many buyers, this could be the Land Cruiser they've always wanted, one that fits into everyday life without sacrificing the legendary off-road spirit. If you enjoyed this look at the 2027 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. We cover the newest concept cars, upcoming vehicles, and the most exciting automotive innovations from around the world. The Land Cruiser name has always represented strength and reliability. Now imagine that same philosophy, just smaller, smarter, and ready for a new generation of adventure. And if Toyota brings this mini Land Cruiser to production, it might just become one of the most exciting compact SUVs of the decade.